Hello, everyone. Welcome to this new session.
Evidence is the cornerstone upon which clinical decisions are built. That's why understanding the types of medical evidence and the hierarchy that governs their reliability and applicability is crucial. Crucial for medical affairs in pharmaceutical industry as well as for healthcare professionals treating patients. This understanding is not just academic, it directly impacts patient care and outcomes. So, what are the types of medical evidence? On top of the list comes the randomized control trials. These are often considered the gold standard in medical research. Randomized control trials involve randomly assigning participants to either the treatment group or the control group. This method helps eliminate bias and provides strong evidence for cause and effect relationships. And then we have the cohort studies. These are observational studies that follow a group of people, which here is called a cohort, over time to see how certain exposures affect outcomes. They are particularly useful for studying risk factors and natural progression of diseases. And then we come to the case control studies. These studies compare patients who have specific conditions, and here it is called they are called cases, with those who don't have, and here they are called controls. Looking backward in time to determine exposure for risk factors and others. Another type of clinical evidence is the cross sectional studies. These studies observe a defined population at a single point in time or over a short period, providing a snapshot of frequency and characteristics of a disease or a condition. Another type of evidence is the case reports and case series. They are detailed reports of the symptoms, signs, diagnosis, treatment, and follow up of individual patients. Case series are similar, but they involve a small group of patients, not an individual one. Expert opinion and consensus statements are also considered somehow evidence. So, these are different types of medical evidence. And if we want to rank them in a hierarchy, the hierarchy of evidence is a system used to rank the strengths of research according to the methodological soundness and thus the reliability of the findings, from highest to lowest. So that is to say that we need to understand different types of medical evidence and the hierarchy that governs this evidence. This is fundamental in the field of medicine and pharmaceutical medicine. It guides clinicians and researchers in making informed decisions, ensuring that patient care is based on most reliable and relevant information available. For us, we are deeply involved in education and the discussions with healthcare professionals, and it's mandatory to know the types of evidence and the hierarchy governing this evidence. It is a practical tool that informs every aspect of patient care and medical education.
I hope you liked this session. Thank you very much and see you soon.